I'd like to show you some of the basic site settings that you have access to on your newly provisioned WordPress site. So in order to see those, you're at your dashboard. You want to select the WordPress installation and then go to Site Dashboard. Then on the far right, you'll see the Settings category. And these are all the settings that you have for your WordPress installation on Convesio. The first stop is a PHP version. Currently, we offer 7.2, 7.1, and 5.6. If you change any of these, your website will go through a restart, maybe 5 or 10 seconds of downtime. Below that, you can actually manage your containers. You can restart the containers or single container that your site runs in, or you can stop them completely. Below that, we have SFTP access. You can actually enable or disable completely. Here are your credentials for logging in, and this takes you directly into your WordPress site when you SFTP in. Under PHP settings, this actually outputs your entire php.ini file. Give it a second to come on here. And you can actually edit any variables that you'd like in here. You can edit the execution time, so on and so forth. If you make a change, it'll give you a notice in the bottom right that you need to save your changes. This will also restart your container, so bear that in mind. And if we scroll back up to the top, next up is cache settings. So we have a proprietary caching system that you can enable or disable through this menu option. Right now, this site has it enabled, and it's set to default cached contents time to live at 30 days. You can change that to 5 hours, 2 days, 30 days, for example, whatever your site requires. You can also add exception rules. This accepts prefix, full path, and regex. And you can add the exception there. You can also purge the cache completely by clicking Purge Cache. We also have a plugin available via our support team that actually installs inside of WordPress and purges this cache just like a normal caching plugin would. And finally, we have database settings. This includes all the information about the database and also PHPMyAdmin, your username and password. If you have any questions about the site settings, feel free to reach out to me at joe@convesio.com, or you can click in the bottom right the live chat button.